Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give.
Hair is fucking, oh, I'm in it. It's fucking silky. Oh shit.
Hey guys, it's me, Destiny, back again with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another install video. As you can see, I already started the install. I did so many install videos, y'all already get the point. But I lost some footage, so we're just getting straight into it. So I already glued down. I put it on 3 layers of glue, and I just laid it down. And then after this, I'm going to cut it and separate my baby hairs and spray Got to Be Glue over the lace and put a band on it, an elastic band. You can get it from a hair store, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, I think so. I don't know, like, it's, you can really get it anywhere. Like, it's a strap, it's a freaking elastic band. But anyways, yeah, I'm just going around cutting all the little itsy bitsy pieces of lace that didn't get the glue. But if you need to go back in, just go ahead and go back in with some glue. I don't be liking the lace all up on my forehead, so that's why I stopped.
Last night I brought DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on, but who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the look.
I put too much wax stick on the front of my hair, so I just did a half up, half down, like to the back. It was cute, but I ended up changing it to a middle part. But yeah, I'm just cutting the excess lace that I missed and whatnot. I'm tying up my baby hairs away from my face, so when I put the band on, it can just be flat down so it won't get in the way. So I put the band on and I'm finna take it off. The lace is laid, baby. Like, this some really good lace. Alipearl hair, baby, you got it going on. You got it going on. But anyways, yeah, the lace really melted really nice. And I'm just gonna be adding some makeup over the lace, just to give it that real skin scalp look, you know. I'm using this baby blue titanium profile. It's a little better. Curl my baby hair, so it just makes it easier for me to take.
Last night I brought DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on, but who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the look. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So fix no ass when you come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So fix no ass when you come through. Last night I brought DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on.
I already said I don't know how to explain how to do my baby hairs, because I really don't. Like, it's really all up in the wrist. Like, you just gotta swoop them motherfuckers. Like, swoop and hold. Swoop and hold.
Come through, come through, come through. DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on, but who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook. Come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So fix no ass in the car. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So fix no ass in the car. Come through. Last night I brought DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on, but who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook. Come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do.
So this is the finished look, y'all. Like a half up, half down, something simple. The company is Alipearl hair. You know, they sent me a little headband, you know, little headband, some little lashes. These lashes was really cute though, y'all, and a wig cap and a little edge brush and whatnot, and, you know, just hair cards and stuff. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you stay tuned for all my other videos, and yeah. It's some real good hair, you all. I just put too much oil in the front of it, but it still look good. Look, from Alipearl, the lace, so good. It blended so nice, you all. I swear the hair texture will look so much better if I wouldn't have put so much oil in the front, like, because the back don't have that much oil and it's super flowy in the back. You see, but it's really some good hair. Like, you all need to go get this. It's good. Buy it. Buy it now. Okay, bye.